Dharamjot, if you can run us through the show cause notice that's been sent to the Al Falah University by the NAAC.
Absolutely, Samiksha. In fact, this is something we discussed even a couple of hours ago when news just came in. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council has put out this notification, which is also essentially a show cause notice to the Al Falah University administration. And there are two main departments of this university that have come under the radar for not being accredited anymore. Their accreditation has expired. To give you the details very quickly, Al Falah School of Engineering and Technology was accredited with a Grade A accreditation from 23rd March 2013 to 22nd March 2018. After that, there has been no revised accreditation granted so far. Second is the Department of Teacher Education at Al Falah School of Education and Training. This Grade A accreditation was valid from 27th March 2011 to 26th March 2016. Again, both accreditations expiring 7 years and 9 years ago, respectively. However, you would have just seen behind me, there was a school bus going in. There's been a lot of movement with respect to students going in and out. Classes remain ongoing as usual. It is business as usual for the students who are currently studying on this campus. The hospital is also functioning with the administration carrying out its duties as patients come in and get their checkups done on a regular basis. So simultaneously, there is an expansive investigation going on inside this entire complex of the Al Falah University, but classes for students across departments is also ongoing at the moment. In the midst of all this, the Al Falah University is embroiled in a massive controversy and investigation with respect to what kind of protocols and lapse in procedures are coming out, the accreditation being one of them. Now the funding of the university and funding of the overall terror nexus has also come under the scanner, with the Enforcement Directorate now stepping in, Samiksha.
Yes, Dharamjot and Idris, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you for more updates.